I'm going to show you an easy way to use Google Trend to select your next topic for a video. Simply go up to the apps area, scroll down, click for more, scroll down to the products drop down right here, click all, scroll down till you see this trends area. Now you can use this to check the popularity of searches over time for your favorite video game like Genshin Impact. Compare it to other popular games you might be considering playing. Check for breakout topics. Search for things such as soup for popularity of search or breakout topics. Having these search analytics is a powerful tool. I hope it helps you out a ton. Make sure to like and subscribe.